If your PlayStation 5 update is stuck, you can follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get your console back to normal functioning. Step 1. Restart your console. Turn off your PlayStation 5 completely by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on. This can often resolve temporary glitches. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing your connection through the settings menu. If there are issues, try rebooting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 3. Clear the cache. To clear the cache, turn off the console and boot it into safe mode by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect a controller via USB and select the Clear Cache and Rebuild Database option. Step 4. Reinstall the update. If the update is still stuck, you may need to reinstall it. Go to the settings, select System Software, then System Software Update in Settings, and choose Update System Software. Follow the prompts to reinstall the update. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, it may be time to contact PlayStation support for further assistance. They can provide more advanced troubleshooting or guide you through potential repairs. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with your PlayStation 5 update. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek professional help.